They said we couldn't do it. They called us crazy. Nobody starts a farm anymore. We weren't gonna listen. This is C.F.F, and I got something for you to look at. So what I did here was I made a temporary brace for the bottom of the door. Just a cradle that the door will sit in, so that when the wind gusts, it won't blow the door out like it did over here. Pushed my block right out of the way, so I'm hoping that this will hold it from blowing like that. Hopefully that holds. We'll find out.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the barn build. You know, when we started this project, we thought we can get this done in 3 months. And we could, if we would have worked on it every single day for those 3 months straight. But we have real jobs, and we have to go back to those. So it did take us a really long time just to get to this point. It was good enough to clean out the garage and make it so we could park in there over the winter. So now I know what R&R Buildings meant when he said, "Stuff at work is easy work." But it's very time consuming. I know what he meant by that whole thing right there now. R&R Buildings is a YouTube channel. He builds some pretty amazing pole barns. Way fancier than I would need. I mean, these things are immaculate. They're just massive structures. When we were deciding to build, I watched a lot of his YouTube videos. I actually put a link to it up above. He actually showed us it wasn't impossible to build a pole barn on your own. He gives a lot of useful tips, and it's pretty funny also. He also has a lot of nice equipment, like a sky lift and a sky jack. And here I am working off of a ladder with boards running across them for our makeshift scaffolding. Now they can knock out a pole barn, a pretty big pole barn, in just a couple of days. It's actually pretty amazing. Why don't you go ahead and take this time now to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos here at C.F.F. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you and your family. And I'll see you next time.